Students, today we will read the second lesson of our book, of our English book, that is an English lesson. The second lesson is the jackal and the rooster. So before we go through the topic, first of all we should know what is the meaning of jackal. Everyone know who is jackal, but what is jackal? Jackal is a beast who lives in jungle and hunts small animals for his food. Another word is there, that is the rooster. So what is the meaning of a rooster? Rooster means cock. So what is the meaning of cock? Now cock is a bird who gets up early and alerts the people to get up early. Now we will read the lesson, the jackal and the rooster. The jackal is a beast, the rooster is a bat. Now we will read the topic and see how the two living beings are related. Every one of us must have read about the jackal. Everywhere, jackal has proved his cleverness. Now we will read the topic, the jackal and the rooster, and see whether jackal has proved his cleverness or foolishness. That means how the two living beings are related, whether there is enmity between them or friendship. Now we will go through the topic. There was a big and handsome rooster. He looked like a king with his beautiful red crown. He also felt like a king. He got up very early in the morning, sat on a high place and sang non-stop, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. He knew that his song was much better than the songs of the other roosters in his locality. But he wanted to make his song still better, louder and clearer. But how to do this was his problem. It was a problem till a jackal suggested a way out. That means the first stanza of the topic is about a rooster. The first line is, there was a very big and handsome rooster. That means once upon a time, a long time ago, there was a rooster who was very big and handsome. There was a rooster once upon a time. The time is not remembered, but once upon a time, a long time ago, there was a rooster. It was very big and handsome. So what is the meaning of handsome? Handsome is beautiful. Or attractive. So there was a very big and handsome rooster. That means there was a rooster. It was very big and handsome. He looked like a king with his beautiful red crown. He means the rooster, looked like a king with his beautiful red crown. What is the meaning of crown? Crown means an ornamental band wears on head crown means an ornamental bed, wears on head. But here, how the queen is, so how the crown is described. He looked like a king. That means the rooster looked like a king with his red beautiful crown. The king wears his crown and look very beautiful. The rooster also looks beautiful. How? Now with his red beautiful crown. Here, crown means the topmost part of the bed. It is in the topic, crown means the topmost part. Topmost part of the body. Topmost part of the body, that is crown. Like this. Suppose it is a cock. It is a cock. And this is its crown. It looks red. The writer compares this to the crown of the king. So, the rooster looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. He also felt like a king. Not only the rooster looked like a king, he also felt like a king. The king feels proud and boisterous. The rooster here also feels proud and boisterous. He also felt like a king. That means the rooster also felt like a king. The king feels proud for his crown, for his property, but the rooster feels proud for his beautiful red crown. It has a beautiful red crown on his top, so he feels himself, but thinks himself by itself as a king. He got up very early in the morning. First I have told rooster is a bird. That means it is a cock. It gets up early and also alert the other people to get up. So he got up very early in the morning. The rooster got up very early in the morning and sat on a high place and sang non-stop cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. It was his habit. The rooster sings like this: cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. He sings it continuously. So the rooster got up very early in the morning, sat on a high place and sang like this. He knew that his song was much better than the songs of the other roosters in his locality. He knew, he meant the rooster. The rooster knew that his song was much better than the songs of other roosters in his locality. What is the meaning of locality? Nearer areas. Nearer area where the rooster lives, its surroundings areas. He knew that his song was much better than the songs of the other roosters. There are also some roosters in his locality, and he well knew that his song was much better than the other rooster of the locality. So he feels himself very proud. He also felt like a king. He also looked like a king. Though his song was much better than the songs of the other rooster of the locality, yet he wanted to make his tongue still better, louder and clearer. The rooster song was very sweeter, much better, but he wanted to make his song still better. Better is the compared degree of better, the best, good, like this. Now adding the 3 degrees of positive degree, positive, comparative, superlative. If someone is compared to another, then the super comparative degree is used. When one fruit is superlative, then superlative degree is used. As the rooster is compared to other roosters, so the comparative degree is used. He knew that his song was much better than the songs of the other roosters in his locality. He wanted to make his song still better. Though his song was better, yet he wanted to make his song still better. How gonna louder? Louder also a comparative degree, and this positive is loud. L-O-U-D, loud, louder, and loudest. Loudest. He knew, but he wanted to make his song still better, louder, and also clearer. Three things he wanted to make his song. So what are the last one? That is clearer. It is also the comparative degree. Its positive is clear, clearer, and clearest. Clearest. The rooster knew that his song was much better than the roosters of this locality, but he wanted to make its song much better, louder, and clearer. But how to do this was his problem. Though he wanted to make his song still better, but he did not know how to do this. But it was a problem for him. He was in a puzzling mind, but he was in dilemma. It was a problem till a jackal suggested a way out. It was a problem for the rooster. He did not know how to make his song louder, better, and clearer. It was a problem for the rooster. How long? Now, till a jackal suggested a way out. That means his problem was solved when the jackal suggested a way. Write the meaning of suggest. Propose, advice. That means his problem was solved when a jackal came and suggested a way how to make his song still better, louder, and clearer. The jackal saw the rooster singing every day in the morning. There was also a jackal who saw the rooster singing every day in the morning. That means there was a jackal. The jackal saw the rooster, and what was the rooster doing? Now it was singing every day. First of all, I was told that every day the rooster got up and sat at high place and sang non-stop cock-a-doodle. This picture, but this scenery was seen by the jackal. But it sang keeping his eyes open. Though the jackal saw the rooster was singing every day, but it always kept his eyes open. That means, but it sang keeping his eyes open. That means when the rooster was singing, it always kept its eyes open. If he would try to catch the rooster would fly away to the tree. Previously, I have told that the jackal is a hunter and the rooster is prey. So here, if the jackal would try to catch the rooster, as rooster is the prey of the jackal, if the jackal would try to catch the rooster would fly away to the tree. The jackal thought, Jackal saw the rooster was singing every day, keeping his eye open, and he thought, if I would try to catch the rooster, it would fly away to the tree. This was what happened the other day when he tried to catch the rooster. This thing also happened another. That means the other day the rooster also sang, keeping his eyes open. So the jackal was unable to catch the rooster. He did not know how to catch the rooster because the rooster was always singing, keeping his eyes open. So he came to the rooster. That means the jackal thought of a plan. He knew that if I could not catch the rooster because it was always singing, keeping his eyes open. So he thought of a plan. He decided how to catch the rooster. So he came to the rooster. The jackal came to the rooster and said means greeted, Abhinandan greeted, oh great handsome king like rooster, oh great handsome, how you are looking? You are looking very beautiful. You are looking like a king. Your crown is compared. Your topmost part of the head is compared to the crown of the king. So you are looking as a king. He greeted the jackal, greeted the rooster. Oh great handsome rooster, your song will be really nice if you sing closing your eyes. The rooster was in dilemma. He didn't know how to solve his problem. Now the jackal came and go to it and suggested. What did he suggest? Now he suggested him to sing, closing his eyes. The jackal said to the rooster, if you sing, closing your eyes, your song will be better, louder and clearer. Which was the problem for the roosters for a long time? It was solved by the jackal. The jackal suggested a way how to make it sound better, louder and clearer. This is the first stanza, the first SGP1 of the topic. Now I will give some questions based on the topic. What was the rooster like? What was the rooster like? Second question, what did it do every day? What did it do every day? Where did it know? Where did it means the rooster know? Fourth number, where did he want this sound to be? Where did it want this sound to be? Number 5, what did the jackal suggest? What did the jackal suggest? These are some of the questions from this first part, that will be from the SGP 1 topic. Now the first question is, what was the rooster like? Now the rooster was very big and handsome. What was the rooster like? Now the rooster was very big and handsome. Answer. The rooster was very big and handsome. It also looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. It also looked like a king. It also looked like a king with its beautiful red crown, with its beautiful red crown. Red crown. Second question. What did he do every day? What did he do every day? Every day it got up. He got up. Every day he got up. He got up early in the morning. Early in the morning, sat on the high place. And sang non-stop cock-a-doodle-doo.